Hey guys, it's Melanie and I am here to share another grocery haul with you. Today is Monday, which means that I went to the grocery store today. I again went to Aldi. I know y'all are probably tired of seeing Aldi hauls, but that's just where we do our shopping right now. So let me go ahead and get started so I can get all this put away. I got 2 loaves of whole grain white bread and 2 dozen eggs back there. I got some chips just kind of stocked up for us a little bit, some sour cream and onion. These are probably my favorite chips that they have at Aldi. They're so good. You've got to try them if you go to your Aldi. I got some regular multigrain tortilla chips back here. And then I got these for my husband to try. He really likes Doritos, the nacho cheese flavored. So I figured I'll let him try those and see if they're comparable to the regular, Doritos brand at all. But if he doesn't like them, I know my kids will eat them. I also got some more bananas. I got some more English muffins. I think that this is a really good deal. This is 99 cents for this package, so that seems like a pretty good price for those. And we went through almost all of them last week. So I got some more of those. Another head of lettuce. This is 2 cucumbers that I got just for snacking or for salads, whatever we need, decide to use them for. I got some strawberries because Grant asked me if we could have strawberries, and these are not cheap. Like right now is not the season to buy strawberries at all. These were over $3 for this thing, but he wanted them, and we haven't had them in a long time, and so I caved and I bought them. But oh, they're so expensive right now. On the other hand, the blueberries are good to buy right now because this entire carton was $1.99 again this week. So I got some blueberries. I didn't buy a whole lot of fruit this week, but I did get some pears. I haven't bought pears in a really long time, but I love pears with a little bit of almond butter. It's just so delicious. So I got some pears, and then I got some potatoes back there, a 5-pound bag of potatoes, and I think that that's all the produce that I picked up. I got some more sliced cheese for sandwiches. I just got some mild cheddar, some Colby Jack, and some provolone. I also got some of this Italian-style shredded cheese. I'm making lasagna tonight to take to our journey group. So I wanted to get some of this. The mozzarella is the only cheese that I buy, that's already pre-shredded because I don't like all the extra stuff they put in it, but it is easier. So, whatever. Sometimes I buy it like this. So I got that for tonight. I got some more white cheddar cheese just for snacking for myself and the kids and whoever wants cheese. Some more yogurt for Kyler. She is on antibiotics right now, and so the doctor told us it was a really good idea to keep her having yogurt because it helps with stomach issues that can come with antibiotics. So I got 2 boxes of those, some more yogurt drinks for Ryan. I picked up 2 cans of these biscuits. I really like to just have these in the refrigerator. Sometimes I just wake up in the morning and I want to make biscuits to go with like eggs or something for my kids. So I got 2 cans of these to try. That's the first time I bought them there. I got 2 bags of the chicken tenderloins, 2 different types of Alfredo sauce for us to try. We got the roasted garlic and also the 4 cheese. So we're going to try those at some point, not this week, but those will be in the freezer. Not the freezer, those are going to be in the pantry. This, on the other hand, would be in the freezer, the chopped spinach, but I'm going to use this in the lasagna for tonight. If you guys haven't seen my lasagna recipe, I'll leave a link for that in the description box below for you, and you can go check that out. It's a really good recipe and really simple. So that is for the lasagna as well. I picked up some hamburgers, again, just to have in the freezer, and some turkey hot dogs as well. We prefer the turkey. We don't really like the beef hot dogs. So I got these. These are not my absolute favorite, but I haven't bought them I'm sorry, I'm really shaky today. I haven't bought turkey hot dogs at Aldi before, so I figured we would give these a try. They're not my favorite, or the ingredient list was not my absolute favorite. They're not quite as clean as I would like for them to be, but we're going to give it a try and see what we think. I guess, sometimes you have to make sacrifices in some areas. Got 2 jars of marinara sauce, or not marinara, but pasta sauce, red sauce. I got the 4 cheese. These will both be used in the lasagna. I have to make a really big batch, so I'm going to need 2 jars of sauce. Some more orange juice, some blueberry muffin mix. That's my favorite kind of muffins, so I got some more of that. This actually I don't normally buy, but I needed it for a recipe. It is a recipe that I will be sharing on my channel, so stay tuned for that. I only got a little tiny package of this because I didn't need it. I don't make it. Whenever I make mashed potatoes for my family, like for dinner, I always make them from scratch. I got 2 cans of chicken. This will be used for chicken salad sandwiches for lunch one day. 2 cans of chicken noodle soup, just because we've had some sick kiddos, and I think that that's a good thing to have in your pantry when you have sick little ones or sick anybody. 2 cans of chunky soup for my father-in-law, just to put in the pantry for him. Some mayonnaise, because we are almost completely out. Some more mandarin oranges for the kiddos to snack on. And then this is also snack stuff. Let me move this way. I got some apple cinnamon applesauce and some apple banana applesauce pouches for the kids. And then I got these mini sandwich crackers with peanut butter, and I also got the ones with cheddar cheese. And I checked the ingredient list on these before I bought them, and they did not have the high fructose corn syrup in it, and I was happy about that. So I got these for the kids to snack on. And then the last thing that I got at Aldi was just some toilet paper. I've never bought toilet paper from Aldi before, but I figured I would give it a try. I order our toilet paper from Amazon, but we are almost completely out, and our Amazon shipment is not going to be here for a few more days. So I figured I would just get a small package and see how we feel about it. I don't remember my exact total off the top of my head, so I'll leave a little, I'll leave it here for you guys, but this is everything that I picked up at Aldi. And then let me show you real quick. I'm going to swing around here and show you what I got from Walmart. These are just things that Aldi doesn't carry and we needed. So I was actually surprised that I couldn't find any lasagna noodles at Aldi at all. So I had to stop at Walmart and get lasagna noodles for the lasagna for tonight. My husband needed some more body wash and some more hairspray, so I got him 2 of these giant cans of hairspray. That way I don't have to buy it again anytime soon. I have a little boy who will be turning 6 in the middle of March, so we went ahead and got him a number candle for his cake, even though we still have some time, you know, to go before that. We picked up that because if I don't, I will definitely forget. I completely forgot to get tomatoes while we were at Aldi, and so I had to get them while I was at Walmart. And then the last thing that I got, and I'm sorry, it got really loud in here all of a sudden, was some avocados. I got avocados, and I kind of liked this. It says Avo Kids, like these are smaller avocados. They're not really super big, but I think that that's kind of perfect because avocados are a healthy fat, but they are still a fat. And so I try not to have like a lot of avocado, and so I thought that this was a really neat idea. This is kind of like portion controlled a little bit better than like the huge avocados that I sometimes get at Costco. So hopefully that these will go over well. I think that they will. And that is everything that I picked up while I was out this week. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. I have got recipe videos and organizing videos, and hopefully a day in the life video coming up pretty soon. We'll be back soon, and you guys take care. Bye.